Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add anything onto your image or render using Nano Banana. So this is the image that we will be working with. And for Nano Banana, you can use it on the multiple platforms. Like for example, I have the Higgsfield subscription, so I can use it here. If you don't have Higgsfield or you don't like it in some way, you can try the Google Labs flow. So what you will have to do, you have to input Google Labs, and here you need to select flow. This will work if you will have any subscription on your Google. So you will need to log in into your account, and then you will see this chat. So what we need to do first, I need to upload my image. Then you should choose the image aspect. So if we don't want to have a square image, we click here and we select the vertical. You can do any of these, like 3 or 4 or 9:16. If you want anything for your Instagram stories, that will be 9:16. If you need for the post or just any other place, you should use 3 and 4. After that, you should input what exactly you want. So for example, add a Batman in a charcoal bathrobe, washing hands and looking in the mirror. What I also usually add as some sort of a negative prompt is do not change camera angle and geometry of a space. In that case, it will not change your design or your object, and it will only work with like the person or decorations that you want to add. After that, you just click and wait. And here you go. Your Batman is ready. If you want to download this image, you just click here, download, and you need 1K, 2K, or if you will have the maximum subscription, you can upscale it and have the 4K output. So I'll just use the 2K and we're done. Thanks for watching and see you soon.